Tonight we have a new deal of the day, and before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment if you guys wish to. Of course, before we start also, I would like to share with you what's happening so far with the signals, which I have sent here last Saturday. As we can see, that was my signal, guys, for the pound JPY. It was so spot on, and it was actually a perfect one. And as you can see, it almost hit the take profit level with more than 70 pips of profit. How cool is that? So again, if you guys have made any profit with this signal or any other signal, please share with us in the comments. The rest of the signals is actually going in the right direction, but none of them has been triggered. Maybe for the gold, of course, the gold right now is triggered, and so far is actually right here at the current entry. So now, regarding the new deal of the day for tomorrow, Tuesday, what do we have? Actually, we have the Euro AUD. And if we look right here, my friends, let me go now to the daily chart. Now the daily chart is showing actually us a very strong price action for the sell. Why sell? Now, some of you might say, but Salah, right here based on the daily chart, we have here a support level that seems like it's going to be respected and the market will continue to rise. Well, not really, because if you look at the bigger picture, right here, of course, and again, we are still on the daily chart, we can see clearly that we had right here, of course, a broken level of a support trend line. Now, I'm not sure if anybody can see this as a good signal for the buy. For me, I see it as strong sell. That was, of course, a strong key level of a support trend line that has been indeed broken out from, and we already have here multiple attempts of the resistance trend line. So it seems to me like the market is actually unable to go back again in this broken triangle, and seems like right now the Euro AUD will continue the fall. Not to mention, of course, the price action, which we recently have based on the daily chart, that, in my opinion, is actually a perfect price action to start selling the market. Why? Because right here, of course, right there exactly, my friends, we had, of course, a broken level of a resistance that actually has failed to become as a new support. That bearish candle has actually failed to become here a new support, and instead just kept falling down. So therefore, I would highly recommend, in my opinion, to sell the Euro AUD by tomorrow, and that will be actually our deal of the day. So now, by moving to the 4-hour time frame, all I need to do is actually do two things. Number one is apply the Fibonacci, number one is apply the resistance trend line right here. Now, what we will do next is simply drag the very same resistance trend line that I have just drawn here and simply place it right there. Look at the mouse cursor, place it right there exactly at the nearest level of a resistance trend line to the current fake breakout. Next, draw here a horizontal level of a resistance exactly right there at 1.6343, and here we can see clearly that we had, of course, a real level of a resistance level. So combining that with the fact that we have here also a resistance trend line, if the market will make a pullback by tomorrow, I think it's going to make here a good entry for us, and we can safely, in my opinion, short the Euro AUD exactly from that point. And of course, for the last confirmation, it will be, of course, the Fibonacci retracement, which can be drawn exactly just like this. Exactly just like that, and as we can see right here, it is actually matching up with Fibonacci 50. So of course we can expect a drawdown of maybe 5-6 pips only, and afterward our trade will go in profit. Therefore, selling the Euro AUD at 1.634. Now for the take profit level, of course, we cannot select that randomly. It also has to be based on the same level of the resistance trend line that we have drawn here earlier. So as you can see right now, we have here a resistance trend line. As you can see, this was a resistance trend line that currently being respected with that level of a support trend line, but I believe that the market will continue to fall all the way toward the next level of a support trend line. So that was right here, my friends, a support trend line number one. So therefore, the Euro AUD, if it's going to make a pullback, it's going to reverse upon the pressure from the resistance right here, and afterward it will continue to fall till it reaches the same level of a support trend line, which makes that level right here as our desired take profit level. Therefore, we can expect around 96 pips profit from this signal. Let me delete everything here so it won't confuse us. Delete everything here. So therefore, my friends, our take profit level can be around 96 pips of profit, and the safe zone that should not be ranging higher than the previous level of a resistance right here at 1.638, which means our safe zone will be ranging for around 46 pips against 96 pips of profit. And again, don't ever trade by yourself, always trade with the Extreme Trader team by joining us on our Telegram channel. As you can see also, we have posted our current results of the VIP signals. So far, they are running, most of them are in profit, while Pound USD running in loss. But actually, the majority of the signals are running in profit. And again, this free group of Telegram is, of course, free to access. You can find the link in the description below of this video, or you can just simply search for this channel, Extreme Trader Signals, on Telegram. And please, guys, be aware of the scammers who uses our name and logo, because thankfully we have a very good reputation in the market with the signals, and there is at least 10 scammers pretending to be pretending to be Extreme Trader. They actually impersonating us. They are telling everyone that they are Extreme Trader, and they are asking their victims to send them funds. That is scamming. We never do that. We only selling signals, but actually what we do right here is only selling signals, guys. So we don't do that funds management thing as the scammers claiming. So again, be careful, and don't forget that this signal might actually fail. Just because it came from Extreme Trader doesn't mean at all that it will be 100% profitable one. It also might fail. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.